Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I am going to discuss in short PCD, primary ciliary dyskinesia. This is very important disease. We have to pick up early, diagnose it early. So if in a neonate there is respiratory distress unexplained in full term neonate, especially with middle and lower lobe collapse, we should suspect PCD, primary ciliary dyskinesia. If there is features of rhinitis starting from neonatal period, that is repeated nasal block, we should suspect it PCD. And if there is cough starting from early infancy, daily cough, productive cough, we should suspect this PCD. If there is dextrocardia, situs inversus, because in 50% cases of PCD, situs inversus are seen. So we should suspect in this child there may be chronic sinusitis, chronic rhinitis, there may be chronic otitis media, there may be hearing loss, and in adult there may be infertility also. So in children it may present with hydrocephalus also because of ependymal ciliary defect. So mainly there is defect in the cilia, either a structural defect or functional defect. Cilia lining the respiratory epithelium are important because it movements propels bacteria, viruses, allergens, pollutants away from the airways. So if it becomes defective, there is accumulation of all these things causing intense inflammation. Inflammation will lead to impaired healing of these inflammations and ultimately bronchiectasis. So bronchiectasis is the hallmark. So ultimately there will be bronchiectasis, and there is a concept of vicious vortex when there is a dysbiosis of the respiratory epithelium. Dysbiosis means microbiome are altered, causing intense inflammation, and this inflammation will lead to sustained inflammation, defective repair, and structural defects, and bronchiectasis, which is the permanent dilatation of bronchi. So investigations are transmission electron microscopy, high speed video microscopy, and immunofluorescence technique, and lastly mutations. So these complement each other. No single diagnostic modality is diagnostic, and treatment is till now mainly treatment of bronchiectasis. So it revolves around airway clearance, control of infection, and chest physiotherapy. For more knowledge, please join fellowship program under Respiratory Foundation of India Fellowship in Pediatric Pulmonology with bronchoscopy. Be aware, take care, thanks.